In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Eneba promo code in June 2024. Eneba promo codes can offer various benefits, such as discounts, freebies, or special deals on gaming products, allowing users to save money and also get more value for their purchases. And sometimes access exclusive content or offers. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. You will then type in Eneba promo code June 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit site just like this one that has 15% off any purchase on Eneba. Choose any coupon code and tap on copy code. Your code will get copied to clipboard. Go to the Eneba official website. Paste in your coupon code. Double check down and see if your code is applied successfully before making any payments. That's how easy it is to get your Eneba promo code in June. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.